Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. As you can see from the title, we are going to do
You want the AC up?
I want it on. So today we are going to do Wonder Woman makeup tutorial. Actually, I've done this makeup look before 2 years ago, and today I wanted to challenge myself if I can do a better one. So here's the old look. Well, it doesn't look bad for a first try, but I feel like now maybe I can, create something like better. I do have a reference photo. Here it is. Honestly, I don't know who she is. When I type Wonder Woman makeup on Google, this is the best one that comes up. So I love the makeup. Whoever did this, brilliant. Looks so good. So I already did my base, my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. I did everything. Now, let's do our eyes and the rest of the face. Okay, so in the picture, I'm gonna start with my eyes first, and then I'm gonna do the crown and then the rest. So when we look at the eyes, she used like copper shimmer color, but because Wonder Woman is blue and red, I want to use blue for my eyes. So I'm going to use blue eyeshadow. I have this palette from Winners. I love the blue colors, they're so good, especially like this one, and the green is nice too. And I have my Turkish coffee here. Just gonna take a sip. So I want to cut the crease. I just want to apply some concealer. So I'm going to take this brush that I always use for concealer. I know I should clean it, but I'm just too lazy. And then we are going to use our CoverGirl concealer to cut the crease. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Let's go ahead. So when I did this makeup look for the first time, I used the same picture, but I didn't want to add any eyeshadow, so I think I just added like mascara and like some lashes. Okay, so now we have our lid cut. Now I'm going to do my other eye. We're grabbing a lot of concealer because we need it. Okay, let's cut this. You know what I hate, guys? Both of my lids look different than each other. That's just pretty annoying, but there's nothing I can do about it. Okay, let's apply some blue. Okay, I'm going to take this palette and I want to take this blue right here. So we can fix at the top. Quickly, let's do the other eye. Now we are going to add eyeliner. This is a trick I saw on TikTok. They go like this. And just keep drawing. I can do my own style. I can go like this. Obviously, I'm not doing the same. I'm gonna add some black eyeshadow on my bottom lashes. So let's add the liner at the top for this eye, and hopefully, oh my goodness, they will look the same. Nice. Okay, now I am going to do my bottom lashes. We still have a long way to go, guys, so let's not give up yet. Just here. Are we ready to do the face? Because I am. I want to start with the crown. So I'm going to grab an angled brush like this, and I'm going to grab this black shade on this palette, this one. And then I'm going to draw. So I'm gonna start here. That's the middle, I'm hoping. So I grab this, there, and I grab this, there. Okay, kind of looks better now. We're just gonna add more shape. So we're gonna fill in here with gold. I'm grabbing Makeup Revolution palettes, this one. And I'm going to take this color, this one, it's called Fetch. And we are just going to fill in. I'm gonna do it with my finger because I have no patience. Okay, so we did the forehead. So I'm gonna take this red shade from NYX Cosmetics. Let's do the star. Now let's make that more vibrant. Okay, I'm gonna draw the lines here as if they are like my emotions because I'm like angry. I need Botox. Let's do the eyes. Let's get back to the eyes. Okay, we are gonna add some black eye pencil just here, and I want to add mascara, and I'm gonna add my lashes quickly. Okay, for my inner corners I want to add some gold, so I'm gonna use this palette and I would like to add some of this gold. Hopefully it's a good color. I want to drag this here because I love doing this. I don't know where I learned it, but I think it's a pretty good trick for my type of eye. Just because I think it's a nice match. Okay, I finally did my lashes. I had to redo some stuff again because this palette hit my nose and I just started crying. So after all that trauma, I want, oh my god, I added like some stars on the line here. For bronzer, I'm gonna use Physicians Formula. For blush, we're gonna go in with this one. We're gonna look really cute. I'm gonna add highlighter now. It's this brand, this one. I like to add highlighter here as well. We gotta add the remaining lines on the nose, the lips, and the chin. And we are going to add here. Yes. So I'm gonna do the lips. I'm supposed to add like line. Okay, I look like I have a mustache. Alright guys, here's the finished look. What do you think? I like it. It's not bad. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys like this makeup look. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!